ROC Amsterdam is a big community college. It's the biggest college in the Netherlands. We have about 35,000 students. We have about 3,500 staff. And we have about 63 buildings.
There were a lot of different infrastructures. Infrastructures for alarms, infrastructures for the network, infrastructures for voice. And one of the goals to gain more control and more efficiency in the infrastructure is to turn it into an all-IP strategy, to get your telephony over IP, to get data over IP, to get cameras over IP.
We have, in this building, we have 3,500 students. They come in with a badge and tourniquets. And when they are in, there's an anti-pass-back system, so they can't give the badge to another student to come in later on. That's not possible. First, they have to go out. The benefit is that the access is only real students and real personnel is coming in. We have a registration that they are in. It gives us reports for the accountant and the ministry to tell them how many hours they are in.
We've got now 3 buildings wireless. It was a little bit cheaper than wired network. And most important is that it's flexible. The users applied for 40 computers, and our advice was to use laptops so we can buy less hardware, to save money. If they need a laptop, they come and ask for one, and they sign in, and they take the laptop with them. The trolley we're using is also safe.
Most of the students are going to the college for maybe 1 or 2 days, and they are working the other days. And when they are on their work, it is necessary to connect to their school. So we are then talking about e-learning.
By logging in with their own individual ID, they gain access to their own applications, to their own mailbox, to their own environment on the centralized server environment. The advantage for the staff by using the current infrastructure that we have set up here is they're mobile. With the IP telephony functionality, they're able to keep their number and use it at every location within the ROC. So they're reachable under the same number. They can gain access to all the applications that they have on the standard location where they are, or in another location or at home.
Support is easier to do to the users. You can do remote support on the computers.
We move a lot within a couple of years, within a couple of months. So if you have to do that, moving one building to the other, one of the biggest issues is hooking all those infrastructures up again. And if you have a system that delivers all that functionality in one go, you hook them up and it's done. People can call, people can go to the internet, people can go to the administrational systems that are set up centrally. So it makes it a lot easier.
We hope for the future to use the network for other functionalities, like building controlling, security, lighting, heating, and video conferencing.